Yeah, this is gonna be a long video. The best was unintentionally saved for last. I am getting a sugar crash, so hello. Hi everyone. Hope you're all doing well. So today we're gonna switch things up. Without further ado, cue the music.
One you're new to. She's here to share reviews, perhaps a laugh or two to. Lipstick, blush, a brand new shade.
Okay, so today we're gonna switch things up. So I was scrolling through Turkish Temu, which is Trendyol, as I usually do. Sometimes you find some really nice stuff, especially, to be honest, a lot of my clothes recently, I've just been shopping there really, and the quality is really good. So while I was scrolling, I saw snacks and I was like, snacks? Turkish snacks? So I ordered it and it arrived. Good job. I'm gonna try it out. We got a lot of snacks here. Actually, they filled up the box, so there's a lot of interesting snacks. So this, look at this one. Fisami, it's from Çaykur. Subuk cracker. I'm excited. I always love actually buying these snack boxes. Ordered one from Japan once, a few times actually, because I really love Japanese snacks. Not bad. Sesame seed. This is actually a lot. I don't know if I can get through this. So we have another cracker, but this one has Bahar Tali. It says Bahar Tali cracker. I don't know what that means, but I'm guessing from what you can see in the pictures, it's like some sort of spices. So let's try it out. The other one was easier to open. Okay, I got it. Oh, that. I'm liking this one. It tastes like chips. Like, it's sweet but salty. It's like a vegetable flavor. You know that ambiguous vegetable flavored chip? That's what it has. It has that flavor. This is actually pretty good. I like this one. This one is a keeper. We'll do something sweet next, I think. This cookie. Oh, look at that. I don't remember what this letter was. I was trying to learn basic Turkish for my trip last time I went to Turkey, and I learned what this letter is, but I totally forgot it. I'm gonna say, I don't know. I can't guess. Open it up. Why is it so difficult? Let me in. Okay, we got it. So this looks like it's your basic chocolate sandwich cookie. Not bad. This I actually grew up eating, but I think they had a specifically made for Middle East version. So this is the first time I'm seeing this. Also, it tastes a bit different actually, but it tastes a bit lighter. We have another one of these crackers. This one is the classic. This one is the one that you see everywhere. It's like exactly how I remember it. Basic breadsticks. They really packed this box. Usually when I order one of these, there's like a few snacks, but this one is packed to the bottom. Like, look at it. Look at all these snacks. Yeah, this is gonna be a long video. So the next one we're trying is a wafer cookie. So it's another wafer cookie. It's another cookie. It's a wafer cookie. This one has oranges in it. It says Kremali Gor. It's also from Çaykur. So all of these are from the same brand, which is Çaykur, which is a huge brand in Turkey. Try and open this. Okay, I gave up. Just gonna get some scissors. Oh, I really loved these kind of like wafer biscuits when I was a kid. It's really good. You can taste the orange. This is very good. You don't get snacks like these where the flavor is really there. Like, this tastes like it's made with real oranges. Not that synthetic flavoring. No, it tastes like real oranges. It's very good. Oh, I just noticed the name. It says it's called Nine Cat Tat. Is that like Turkey's version of Kit Kat? Why 9? That's what I'm curious about. What's the 9 about? Another one. Oh, this one is a classic. I love this one. This was my favorite growing up. Yeah. Hallie from Çaykur. So if you like this video, we'll try out next time Temu snack. I think I saw some snacks on Temu. Yeah. It's a cookie. You got your marshmallow filling. Got your chocolate. It was very good. It has a coconutty flavor. I'm tasting a coconutty flavor. It's very faint. I think it's in the chocolate coating. This is really good. We're getting messy! This is definitely bringing me back to my childhood. I grew up eating this. It was very good. So delicious. It's like I think it was similar to this. It's like a choco pie. That Korean one, the choco pie. But the choco pie has like a thicker marshmallow filling. And the cookie's not as crunchy as this one.
Who let the dogs out?
How many snacks did we try so far? I'm still going. It's still full. It's still full. We need something savory. So there's another one of these crackers. This one looks like it's spicy. I need a little bit of spice right now. Ta-da! Where is the spicy? Is this really spicy? Look at the picture. It says it's got chilies, right? It's got a picture of chilies. I feel like I'm looking for the chili. It tastes good. It has a salsa flavor. Like I can taste the bell peppers, the onion, the tomatoes, black pepper. But chili, if it's in here, it's very faint. But it's good still, so I still can eat that. I still would eat that. I would eat a lot of that extra. So we got a candy bar. What's interesting actually in this candy bar, it says only beet sugar. You see that here? It's made with only beet sugar. So this is like a healthy candy bar for kids. Open it up. Oh, I don't know. Can't open anything today. My hands are slippery. Kind of melted a bit, the chocolate. It's like a very light wafer sandwiched between like a vanilla cream coated in a very, very, very light layer of milk chocolate. Like this is actually really nice. It's very light. I wonder how much the calories is. I wonder. Say that it's healthy, right? Healthy doesn't mean it's less calories. 509 calories for 100 grams. And this is 18 grams. So if we do the math. Okay, whatever. It's still less calories, so it's not bad. I was like, you do the math. I think I'll get to the bottom of the box and like pick at random our next snack. Interesting packaging. This looks like a packaging of like a set. You know, like those boxes of cookies where there are like 6 packets. Usually it's packed like this. We'll see what this, it says cremali. I think I've seen cremali somewhere. Ah, I saw cremali here on the orange. So does that mean this is orange? We'll see. Or does cremali mean it's a cookie? I don't know. It's a light, buttery, chocolate, vanilla cookie. Not bad. Have it with a cup of tea and you're good to go. Think I'm gonna be here till tomorrow with this box of snacks. It's good, but it's a lot for one sitting, I'm gonna tell you that. Now we're trying. They should have said this was a cookie box. It said snack box. I was hoping for some chips. Pretty much the same thing, cookies. Let's open it up. Oh, I feel like it's crumbly from that side. I feel like it got squished, but there's some crumbs. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's all crumbly. Let's get under that crumbs. These look like your classic saltine crackers. Let me try to get under that. Yeah, classic crackers. So this box is cookies and crackers. It's pretty good. It's not bad. That's good for the price, I'm gonna tell you that. I think it was... It's about $32 plus shipment. Anyway, let's get another snack. Oh, these, I remember something like this, but not this brand specifically. It's like those cookies, sugar cookies. So it's covered in sugar. This is great with like a hot cup of milk tea. It's delicious. It is fun, actually. Let's see what we got here. What are you gonna win? This is a Swiss roll. So we got something different now. We got a cake. Let's open that up. From what it looks like, it's a vanilla Swiss roll with some vanilla cream and chocolate. Chocolate melted. So sad. The cake is pretty good, actually. This is delicious. Okay, now let's go through our box. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get? We're gonna get... Oh, chocolate. I think this box is mostly sweet. So if you got a sweet tooth, you'll enjoy this box. So this is... I seen this word somewhere. Gofrets. So I guess that means wafer. Try and learn Turkish. My mind can't comprehend Turkish. Anyway, all of our chocolate, unfortunately, melted. Classic chocolate wafer. Not bad. It's like a large Kit Kat. To be honest, for $32, this box is a steal. I'm gonna tell you that. Okay, let's get our next snack. Oh my god, this is so fun. So it's the same one that we tried, so we don't need to try this. Another one. This one just fell out. It wants me to try it. So this one is called Cat Cat Tat. I mean, is this the original Cat Cat Tat? That's why this one is number 9. I'm just wondering. It's interesting, you know. Turkish snacks have prequels and sequels. I guess it's a whole production. Getting in this. Oh, look at that. Ooh, this word I know. This one I know. Findiki. Yeah, that I know. It's like, it's hazelnut, right? Because when I went to Turkey, I got obsessed with this hazelnut spread. I was like, I need it in my life. I bought a few bottles. It is delicious. It's like Nutella, but better. It has a little hazelnut cream in there. Just a little bit, like very faint. It's very good, actually. Now, let's get more snacks. Another cookie. So this one, I've got crumbs everywhere.
I got a lot of cookie crumbs.
So this is how this looks. Let's open it up. Oh, this one's very easy to open. It looks like a one of those wheat digestive type cookies. Yep, I got it spot on. I win! Yeah! I'm great at guessing. What's interesting though, if you look at the bottom, it has like some raisins. It tastes kind of like raisins. We're almost finishing our box. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little teddy bear. Cute little teddy bear. This is definitely one of those snacks. I'm like, this is so cute. Kids would really love this, like, in their lunchbox. They're like,
Mom, thanks for the best lunchbox ever. So cute.
It's got jam in the center. So it's like a sponge cake with jam in the center. Okay, now I feel suddenly the sugar went up. Now we're gonna try. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna? Hopefully it's not a chocolate or a cookie or... It's a cake! I guess it wasn't a chocolate or a cookie, but it's a chocolate cake. Ooh, it says ooh la la tiramisu. Ooh la la. Ooh la la indeed. So let's try ooh la la tiramisu. I kind of wanted some coffee, so I hope this kind of curbs that. It's not gonna be enough coffee in a packaged cake, but maybe it'll be chocolate flavored. Maybe it'll be coffee flavored. Won't be enough coffee in there. This is very disappointing. They hyped you with the name. They were like, ooh la la, it's tiramisu. And you're like, oh, okay, it's gonna be good. Where's the coffee? It has the essence of tiramisu. I can't call that tiramisu, to be honest. It's not a bad chocolate sponge cake. Now let's see what else is in the box. Chocolate. This is coconut. Is that what it says? I don't know. Again, this letter, I have no idea how this is read. Hopefully. Oh, it's melted. All the chocolate melted. It was not coconut. It's hazelnut flavor, I think. The picture gave it away, but it said coconut. It's pretty good. It's just sad that it melted. Let's try our next snack. We got another cat. And this one is in strawberry flavor. Just gonna use scissors. It's like eating a puff pastry, to be honest. It's like a sweet puff pastry. Really nice. Not bad. I don't get too much strawberry flavor, but it's pretty good. Now we're at our millionth snack. Let's get in our plugs. We're gonna try another. This is another chocolate. So, oh, this one survived a bit. It's not as melted. It's more chocolate. It's like a chocolatier Kit Kat, which is really good. This I like so far. Oh, we have 4 left. We're almost done. They're all chocolate bars. So this one is called Metro. It's called Metro. This survived. Didn't even melt. It has some sort of not meltable fat. It's a caramel nougat. It's good, but Mars bars are way better. Now we're gonna try this. First of all, the sheer amount of snacks that was fit into this tiny box. Now that is a skill. So this is a white chocolate wafer. Not bad. It's good. It's pretty light. Our second one is, oh, this looks like it's premium. It says premium actually over here. So let's try it out. Now that tastes purely decadent. I can see why. It is premium. It's very decadent. You can taste the chocolate. It was really good. Now our final one. Yeah, we're done. We did it. You did it. We did it. So the last one actually looks very interesting because look at it. It has a interesting, it looks like it's like made out of Rice Krispies. You can see those little Rice Krispie shaped balls, and then it's got orange here, so I'm guessing it's orange flavored. So let's try it out. Open sesame. Okay. This one also seemed to have survived, but lost the little cream swirl on top. Just how it looks. This one's good. The best was unintentionally saved for last. Now, let me rank the snacks, because why not? From the candy, I liked these 3. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3. And this one is an honorable mention because this was actually pretty good and it's light. I like that. Sometimes you want something sweet, but you don't want it to be too dense. You want a nice that's not too heavy, and that really gets that. And from the savory, so this is numero 1, number 2, and that's about it because it's mostly sweet. The crackers are okay, they're a classic. You can't hate on it. So, well, that's it with my review of snacks from Turkish Temu. Until next time, I'm gonna go take a nap. I am getting a sugar crash. So, until next time, toodles!
It's the other